Hello everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are fine. So, we had already covered 3 video lectures starting from the 3 different layers of the earth. We covered the 3 different layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. We also studied about the meaning of rocks, their different types, and the uses. We also studied about the different terms used in this chapter like fossils, sediments, right? And we also studied about the rock cycle, that how one rock changes into another kind. So we have covered most part of the chapter. So before we proceed towards the end part of the chapter, let's have a quick revision and then wind up with the last topic. So the very first is from this page number 7, what you will be doing, these two diagrams, that is interior of the earth and this continental crust and oceanic crust. Practice these two diagrams. These are very important diagrams, and this is going to give you the idea that what is there all about, why are we studying this chapter. That is, when you will be drawing this diagram will itself make you understand that this diagram is talking about 3 layers of the earth: crust, mantle, and core. So this is going to help you and keeping better in understanding the chapter better, and you are not going to forget that. Okay, next thing is the meaning of rocks. Okay, and the different types of rocks like igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Meaning of fossils, that is the remains of the dead plants and animal trapped in the layers of earth. This is how fossil looks like. I already showed you in my previous second video, right? So this is the mind map. Here it's very clearly said, it's showing us the types of rocks, and it is only igneous rocks which has two more types, that is intrusive and extrusive. This is the picture of different types of rocks. You can see igneous rocks, right? So these are different rocks. If it's not clear here, this will help you. If you search on Google, you will find it very clear. It's clearly given there. Okay, next is this, where we studied about the uses of rocks. In this part, uses of rock, importance of rocks, we had already covered it. And the rock cycle, that how one rock changes into another. It is the first magma. From magma we get the igneous rocks. From igneous rocks we get the sedimentary rocks. From sedimentary rocks we get metamorphic rocks. Again, this metamorphic rock change into magma under great heat and pressure. So the last part of this chapter today is this: minerals, right? So what are minerals? Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical composition, right? So some minerals are also used as fuels. So examples are coal, natural gas, petroleum. I think everybody has seen petroleum. Yes. So they are used in industries. So minerals are used in industries. They are used as iron, okay, aluminium, gold, uranium. They are used in medicines as well as in fertilizers. So this is all about minerals. You can see here clearly, this is how a rock looks like, and this is how a mineral looks like. And these are the different types of minerals, these all. Clear? So there is an activity given in your book, page number 12. This table, this box, you can see there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 things are here. Each of these things are made up of different minerals. They are made up of different minerals. So you are going to identify that which mineral is used in making up of this. Suppose this is karahi, so you will write down the the mineral which is used in making this, the mineral which is used in this pan or tawa, okay, the mineral used in bell. So this is your duty, this is your activity. This is going to make you, this is going to boost your knowledge. Yes, you are going to apply whatever you have learned from this video lecture, you are going to apply that knowledge here, right? And this is the differences between rocks and minerals. So on both the sides you can use it as the characteristics also, you can use as the comparison also. So rocks and minerals, they are two written here, 1 2 3 4 points are on each side. So let's start with rocks. Rocks are the solid substances which have a combination of more than one mineral, and minerals are inorganic substances that occur naturally. So if you go through each point, like rocks do not have definite chemical composition, minerals have a definite chemical composition. So these are actually differences, right? If somebody asks you that what are minerals, you can also use this single part to explain them what is minerals. Okay, so minerals have a definite chemical composition. Minerals are mainly classified into four groups, namely silicates, carbonates, sulfides, and metallic minerals. And when we talk about rocks, they are classified into three types, that is igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. And examples you can see here, examples of rocks: marble, slate, and limestone. These are the example of rocks. And some of the examples of minerals are iron, aluminium, and calcium, right? So with this we come to an end of the chapter. So we'll just take one quick see. The reason why I am explaining you each and everything again and again, because I want you to understand the things. The more I repeat, the more this thing is going to be clear, right? This is like an revision, right? You may feel like why ma'am is explaining same things again. This is actually going to help you, right? So let's revise. Number one, let's revise from here. Let's see what we have learnt. We have learnt different layers also, we have learnt the meaning of rocks also, its different types also, how they are formed also. We have learnt the meaning of fossils and meaning of sediments, that the small particles which are carried away by the wind or air and they get deposited, these are sediments, right? We have studied about the uses of rocks, the uses of minerals, the differences between rocks and minerals. Okay, we have even seen the pictures of how these rocks and minerals they look like, right? We have also studied about the continental crust and oceanic crust, this part, right? So we have covered each and every topic of this chapter. So kindly revise each and everything properly, and please definitely mark this diagram in your book, and if it's possible, please draw it, practice it. Practice will make you good. You will get, you will not forget these things in your life, right? And then try to solve this activity which I have already told you. This activity, solve it. And these are the pictures, you can look and get an idea that how rocks and minerals they looks like. These are the games, right? So fine, so that's all. So with this we come to an end of the chapter. Thank you everyone.